So just a few clarifications. So the incident we're all talking about was the May 19 resupply mission. That was what you presented, and that was what was in the video shared by CCTV, where they alleged Philippine troops pointed guns at them. That's all related to May 19. Sir, walk us through about that incident. So they have advanced information that there's going to be resupply airdrop. That's why they're preparing intercept, or were they caught off guard and they just saw it and then attempted to get the supplies for our Philippine troops on the Second Thomas Shoal? How was just the ano lang, sir, the blow by blow event of the May 19? And then why is it only now we're reporting it? Nauna sila before we reported that, you know, there's an attempt to interfere and obstruct the May 19 supply mission, although Colonel said it was successful. Thank you.
Okay. So,
Thank you, Karen.
the resupply mission that happened on that day was not announced, no? So, there was no pre-information given to any party about that resupply mission. Now, that resupply mission, as you saw, was conducted using airdrop, the airdrop method, no? Instead of bringing our ship to the Second Thomas Shoal or Ayungin Shoal, this time we decided to airdrop our supplies. So we did 4 sorties or 4 rounds of resupply. We were able to recover 3 of them. Unfortunately, one of the packages was intercepted by the Chinese. It was the second airdrop where the Chinese came in. So probably what happened was when they saw the first pass of the airplane dropping supplies near the BRP Sierra Madre, probably that was when they started to react, no, by sending their ribs, no, rigid hull inflatable boats, ribs. And as you saw in the video, no, when the second resupply package was dropped, they attempted, or they went to the area to recover it, despite the fact that our boats were already there, no? So nakipag-agawan pa sila, inunahan pa tayo, no? And the thing was, they opened the packages, no? And when they saw that it was only food stuff, they threw it back into the water. Siguro naghahanap sila ng construction materials, no? But it was just a small package, no? Enough to carry food items and enough for it to float on the water, no? So the Chinese did not have the authority or the right to confiscate this supply packages, which were meant for the soldiers, our Philippine soldiers, on board the BRP Sierra Madre. So, wala silang karapatan na kunin yung sarili nating supply, because ang mga laman lang naman ng supply natin, as you saw, were food items and some medicines, no? Some medicines, because sometimes nagkakasakit yung mga sundalo natin on board, no? Second, on the issue of the pointing of the guns, we are denying, no, that any of our soldiers pointed deliberately their guns to any of the Chinese in the ribs, no. But we will not deny the fact that they were armed, no, because the BRP Sierra Madre is a commissioned Philippine Navy ship, and therefore it is authorized to have weapons. We are authorized to put weapons on board, no, both crew-served weapons and individual weapons of our soldiers. Meron tayong karapatan, no, because of the concept of self-defense. We have the right to defend ourselves from any armed attack or external attack, no? And if you saw in the video, the Chinese ribs were very close to the BRP Sierra Madre because the supplies were dropped really very close so that it would be easy for us to retrieve, the supplies because of the risk that these supplies might sink down to the sea. So dapat pagbagsak niya, ma-recover kaagad natin, no? That is the idea. That's why malapit, no? And in this case, because of that intent of the Chinese Coast Guard to get our supplies, they came very, very close to the BRP Sierra Madre, no? And of course, this posed, from the point of view of our soldiers, this posed a danger, a threat, no? Dahil napakalapit na nila. That is why there were videos, there were images of our soldiers carrying their guns. But they, again, I would like to emphasize, they did not point their guns to the Chinese. No? Meron po tayong sinusunod na rules of engagement. Alam po ng mga sundalo natin yan. No?